Here, let's face this way in overhand with your left foot forward. Bring your hands low back behind you and come out underhand on this side. So like you're pulling your skirt back and you come out underhand here. And then come up over the top to overhand here. Pull your skirt back behind and your underhand here. Come up over the top toward me. So you turn to the right, then you turn to the left. Overhand here. And go low, and then connect it to high. And then go low and connect it to high. Now come down overhand on the left. And then overhand weave. Okay, and then open it up. So just circles here. And then we're going to turn to the right and come up into counterclockwise pinwheel. And then come back down into overhand weave on the left. In overhand. And your left foot is forward. Both poi are going in same time. You bring it low behind your back as if you're pushing a dress behind your back, and you come out an underhand on the right. And relax, keep your hands nice and low. Then we're going to come up all the way over the top and then go into overhand weave. If you can remember the 3-beat weave, go into that. And then we're going to open up the 3-beat weave back to the 2 circles and then turn right 90 degrees into the counterclockwise pinwheel. And I went into split time, but if you want, you can go into together time, or you can go from split to together and then back to split, or back to together time where they're both on the same side of the body at the same time. And then we're going to come down on the left side again in overhand. And we'll repeat that whole thing. Same time, sweep back low, come out underhand on the right. Then we're going to come up all the way over the top. Let's do that again. Sweep back low, come up all the way over the top. And then we're going to go into the overhand 3-beat weave. And then from this, open it back up into the circles. And then we're going to turn to the right 90 degrees, come up into counterclockwise pinwheel, split time. And then we're going to make it together time, so sync it up, so both poi at the same time at the same side of the body. Then back to split time. And if you can't get that, that's okay. And then we're going to come back down on the left side into overhand weave. So turning the 90 degrees, then open that back up again. Sweep back, come out in underhand on the right. And do you remember the underhand weave here?